So me and Joe just got down here last night, flew in from Florida. We're in South Padre Island, right? And it's a Chrome in the Sand. It's an event, big motorcycle event. I was here last year, and it was a great turnout. So we're going to go down to the beach. Haven't been to the beach in
20 years.
20 years, maybe somewhere around there. But so we're going to go check out the water and hang out in the ocean a little bit, and then later on we'll be doing a few other different things. But we'll keep you posted on some of the things that we're doing over the weekend.
They're still coming in. Moving the stand. South Padre Island. I think I lost Paul. There he is. I think Paul's gonna be there a while. Ah, a new patch. You know I'll be stealing that. Paul, there's a young lady behind you. Sure.
I got you.
Maybe he doesn't want a video with you. Just saying, you know.
I'm gonna make good friends with this guy.
All right, we gotta go, Paul. They're waiting for us to go up front. You can do one more. One more.
Give a big shout out to Bird's Promotion for having the amazing festival Thrown in the Sand. And we have an honorary guest that was able to come all the way from the Orange County, California, down to South Padre Island. So let me help you right to the stage from the new world famous Orange County Choppers. Nothing like applause for Paul. One more time, let's give it up for Paul Senior in the building in South Padre Island, Texas. Paul, give us your take. South Padre Island, Rome in the Sand, amazing boxing matches from top to bottom. What's your experience like thus far here at South Padre Island, Paul?
This is my second year here, and we last year was a phenomenal turnout also. And I said last year too that we go to events. I've been doing it for 25 years. This is by far the best event out of all. I don't care Sturgis, all those events are second to this event here. And I think it has a lot to do with the promoter, production, his wife, his brother, all those people. We love them, and that's one of the reasons why we're back too. But I think that the cars make the show, the bikes make the show, people really make the show. And I appreciate you having me here, and hopefully I'll see you guys next year.
How many bikes you think you have built in your life?
Just on the show, when we did the show, we did well over 1,000 bikes just for the show.
Just for the show.
And then probably, I don't know, 3, 4, 5,000 bikes through the whole history. of my history anyhow from starting
3,000
young.
bikes.
Yeah.
You still remember your first bike?
Yes.
Yeah? Tell us about. Háblanos de tu primer moto.
My first bike was a 71 Triumph.
71
71 Triumph on it.
Really?
Yeah. Great.
71.
Yeah. I'm a
What
big
is-
Triumph guy.
What? Yeah, you still love Triumph?
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
I just think that they're a great bike. I like the English bikes. I like the BSAs, the Nortons. You know, they got a nice sound to them. I've always liked them.
But right now, we have another meaning for this. We are keeping these patches only for the bikers who promise to be a good person
That's the
on
best.
the motorcycle or in the real life, in every day, you know? Even walking or in every day, you know, no?
I do know.
So I really, from my heart and from my thousands of followers, I like to give you one patch for you and another one for your wife.
Oh, that's cool.
Because
Get one too, Joe. Great weekend. Second year we did Chrome in the Sand in South Padre Island. There was a lot going on, but a lot of great people, a great event. You know, I have been to many events through all the years. This is number one, class people, class promoters. We just had a great time. We went to the beach a little bit, but I think that that at all the events, this is definitely my favorite. There were some nice bikes. I got to go to a boxing match. They couldn't get anybody to match up with me, so I didn't get to box. But it was a great entrance. They brought me in the ring. They'll have me back next year. Something that I truly, me and Joan truly look forward to. So yeah, it was an interesting weekend. Went to the beach. Haven't put my toes in the water. That's about it. I'm scared of those sharks down there, but that's about it. So subscribe, like. If you want to give me a comment, give me a comment. If not, peace out.